Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unshackled, where you learn to speak English with confidence. You wake up, and you already know some English words, but when you try to use them, your mind freezes. You want to express yourself, but the words don't connect. Now imagine this. What if your morning routine, brushing your teeth, making coffee, looking in the mirror, could become your best English lesson? Real words from real life. A practice you can do every single day, without stress, without grammar tests, without boring textbooks. Just you, your daily life, and English that flows naturally. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn the first hour of your day into a powerful English practice. Simple, real stories from your own mornings will help you unlock fluency, build confidence, and finally sound more like you. And here's the best part. The sooner you start, the faster you'll feel the difference. Your mornings will not just start your day, they'll unlock your English. If this idea feels good to you, if you are ready to learn English in a calm, new way, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Every video here is a small, simple step to your fluency. We are in this together. Let's begin with the very first moment of the day. The moment the world is still quiet. The alarm rings, a very gentle sound. I open my eyes slowly, without any rush. The room is quiet. The world is soft. Actually, I feel quite peaceful. I am ready for a new beginning. Let's unlock the power in this small story. Look at these specific words. They are the keys. Let's focus on one special word. A word that makes you sound much more natural in conversations. That word is actually. The word actually is a simple trick. We use it to express a surprising fact, or to correct something. It shows what is true, even if it is unexpected. For example, someone asks, "Are you busy?" You can say, "Actually, I am free right now." It adds a little bit of personality to your English. It makes you sound more human and less like a textbook. Now, let's master the sound. It's important to say it clearly. Let's break it down into small pieces. Repeat with me. Actually. One more time. Actually. Now, all together. Actually. Great job. You are training your mouth and your ears. This is so important. So, how can you use this powerful word right now? Today? Think about it. You can correct a small misunderstanding. For example, a friend thinks you don't like coffee. You can say, "Actually, I love coffee in the morning," or you can express a surprising feeling. Maybe you thought learning English was difficult. You can say to yourself, "Actually, this is pretty fun." See? One word. So many possibilities. You are already a better English speaker than you were 1 minute ago. Let's continue our morning. I sit on my bed. I take a deep breath, in and out. Then I stretch my arms up to the ceiling. It feels incredibly good. this simple movement. My body is waking up, slowly, and with intention. Okay, let's find the keys in this part of our story. Let's look for the words that add emotion and detail. This time, we will focus on a word that makes your feelings stronger. A beautiful word. The word is incredibly. Incredibly is an adverb. Its job is to make the next word more powerful. It means very, or extremely. For example, instead of saying, "The weather is good," you can say, "The weather is incredibly good." It adds so much more feeling. You can use it before adjectives like good, beautiful, difficult, or important. It is a simple way to make your vocabulary more expressive. The sound is a little long, but we can do it. Let's break it down. Listen carefully, and then repeat. Incred-I-bly. Again. Incred-I-bly. Now, let's say it smoothly. Incredibly. You are doing amazing. Every sound you practice is a seed you plant for your future fluency. How can you use incredibly today? Look around you. Find something you can describe. Is your coffee incredibly hot? Is the music you are listening to incredibly relaxing? Is this lesson incredibly helpful? You can form a sentence in your mind right now. This is incredibly. You are not just learning a word. You are learning to express your world with more color and more emotion. I walk to the kitchen. I want some fresh water. First, a glass of water, then my morning tea. Usually, I love this moment. It is quiet. It is calm. It is my special time before the world gets busy. You know the process now. Let's find our key words for this narrative. The words that describe our habits and our routine. Let's zoom in on a word that is essential for talking about routines. That word is usually. Usually is another adverb. It tells us about frequency. It means something that happens most of the time, or normally. We use it to talk about our habits, our routines. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., or I usually drink tea in the morning. It is a perfect word to describe your daily life. It is more common than normally in everyday conversation. This word can be a little tricky to pronounce. Let's practice the sound together. Let's make it easy. Usually. Listen to that su sound. It is like ju. Usually. Let's try again. Usually. Now, at a normal speed. Usually. Perfect. You are learning to listen to the small details in sound. This is the difference between a good English speaker and a great one. Your turn. How can you use usually right now? Think about your own morning routine. What is one thing you usually do? You can say the sentence out loud, just to yourself. I usually check my phone. Or, I usually listen to music. Or, I usually feel tired in the morning. Whatever is true for you. By connecting the word to your real life, you are telling your brain, this word is important. Remember it. With my warm tea, I sit down. I open my simple notebook. I plan my main goals for the day ahead. Especially, I plan one action that will make me happy. This is my promise to myself. This part of the morning is about focus. So let's focus on the key words that show importance. And our special focus word for this block is especially. This is a fantastic word to add to your vocabulary. We use especially to show that one thing is more important than others. It is similar to particularly. It puts a spotlight on one specific detail. For example, I like all kinds of fruit, especially berries. Or, the city is beautiful, especially at night. When you use especially, you guide the listener's attention. You show them what is most important to you. Let's practice the pronunciation. It starts with a soft E sound. Let's break it down. Especially. Again, slowly. Especially. Now let's connect it. Especially. Excellent work. You are building your confidence with every word you practice. Let's connect this word to your life right now. Think about learning English. What part do you like? You can create a sentence. I like learning English, especially the listening part. Or, I like learning new words, especially verbs. By identifying what you especially like, you also give yourself motivation. You focus on the positive. It's a small word with a big impact on your mindset. Before I start my work, I pause for 1 minute. I feel truly grateful for this brand new day. This simple, quiet habit. It changes everything for me. Definitely, it makes my mind feel clear and ready. This is our final narrative. Let's find our final keywords for today. The words that express certainty and feeling. Our final word is a word of power and confidence. The word is definitely. We use definitely to show that we are 100% sure about something. It means without any doubt. It is a strong word. When you say, I will be there, it is a promise. When you say, I will definitely be there, it is a stronger promise. You can use it to agree with someone strongly. Is this useful? Yes, definitely. It shows confidence in what you are saying. Let's say this confident word with confidence. Let's master the sound. Definitely. Let's try that again. Definitely. And now, all together. Definitely. You did it. That is the final word for today's lesson. You have been incredible. Now, let's pause, just like in our story. Let's breathe in and out. Look at what you did today. You did not just learn a list of 5 random words. You walked through a complete morning routine. You learned how to express feelings, how to describe habits, how to add power and emotion to your ideas. You learned that every part of your day, even the most simple, quiet part, can be an opportunity to practice English. You don't need a classroom. You just need to be present. Your life is your best textbook. Your story is your best lesson. And now, it is your turn to tell a small part of your story. This is how we grow together, as a community. In the comments below, write just one sentence about your morning. Use one of our keywords from today. Actually, incredibly, usually, especially, or definitely. There is no pressure to be perfect. The goal is to practice. Let's fill the comments with our positive morning routines from all over the world. I will read every single one. If this lesson helped you feel a little more calm and a little more confident with your English, please give this video a like. It tells me that this method is working for you. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. Every day is a new beginning. Every sentence you speak is progress. Thank you for sharing your morning with me today. This is English Unshackled, and I will see you in the next video.